Hello and welcome to today's short video, which is basically just going to be a little bit of an update here. Same as the other one, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to say that we got pretty much the lift all done now, and that means that we can soon be starting to tear down. Soon be starting to tear down. Soon we'll be starting the tear down on the Mark IV here. But yeah, so it's almost done. We need some wiring and some oil, and then we're basically done. So I wanted to show you because I ordered some parts. That was the real reason I made the video. Yeah, I'm rambling. But yeah, so I ordered a new flywheel, dual mass, just the same as the one I had, but brand new. I figured why not put a new one in. So I got that and some bolts, and then I got a new shifter as well. And the reason I did that is because the new one that I got here is way smaller. The one I had from the Skoda, I don't know. This one that I took from the donor car is pretty big. It's both high and pretty wide. So as you can see, this has a checker pattern, square pattern, and this, if you're building on a Mark IV, is not the one that you want, because you're gonna have to cut up a lot of your interior pieces, which we don't want, of course, if we want it to look clean, which I do. Yeah, anyways, so this is the one I got from the Skoda. It has the unlocking mechanism on the side as well. It's one of the first versions of the DSG shifter, but it's too big. So I got this one, which is from a Passat. I think it was a 2012, and as you can see here, it has a different pattern on it, with deep grooves in it, and it's about 3-4 centimeters shorter in height, as well as way smaller in width as well, which we want because the hole is not so big in the interior. So the smaller it is, the better it is, basically. So yeah, that's why I got this one instead. I'm not sure which model they're on, because there's this variant, which looks like this, and it's completely black, like molded, two-piece or something. And then we have the, I don't know if it's the same size or if it's bigger, but you got the, like a white lid on it. I'll get a picture up on here so you can see if I find one. I'm not sure if that will fit as well, but I for sure know that this will. Found a thread on the internet, and that looked pretty clean, so this is what we're going with. It still has the same contacts on the front for positive and negative, all that, and the same contact for displaying which gear you're in, or basically PR and D, or shifting gear, which we're also going to use because I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm going to try to get this one registered. In Sweden you can't just build your car how you want and drive it on the street. You have to make it legal as well. And the DSG swap is a part of that. So yeah, we're gonna need to see what gear we're in, basically, or in what mode. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use. It still has the same cable wiring and stuff. It's just a little bit smaller, a bit of an update. And as I said, I'm not sure if it's the same size as the one with the white lid on top. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna use, basically. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. There we go. As I said, the lift is almost done, so as soon as it's done and my friend got his car in here, I'm gonna start tearing up the Golf, starting with intercooler piping and all that stuff, and get the old gearbox down. Then we're probably going to try to fit the shifter first, get the exhaust down a little bit, and get the shifter up there, see how that fits in the interior. and then we're gonna get a cool shifter for it. We'll see about that. So that's pretty much all I got for today. Just a little update. Got the flywheel coming soon, hopefully this week. As well, the lift. I'm gonna try to get it done like for the weekend here. It's currently Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. So by the weekend we should have the lift done, and maybe by next week we'll start tearing into the Golf, which is gonna be interesting to say the least. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, just put it in the comments down below. And if you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it, or dislike it rather. Subscribe if you like or want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.